Hello children, welcome back to your SST class. Let's continue with chapter 3 transport. In the last class we studied what is transport, road transport and rail transport. Now let's understand what is water transport. We can travel by a ship to another country. Traveling by sea takes a long time. Goods that are bulky and heavy are generally transported by sea. Water transport is a cheap means of transport. Different means of water transport are boats, ships, steamers, and liners. A boat is smaller than a ship. It is generally used in rivers. A ship is a large vehicle that carries people or goods from uh, by sea. Steamer is a boat or a ship driven by steam. A large passenger ship is called liner. The place where goods are loaded or unloaded is called a port. So, water transport is used to transport heavy and big goods from one country to another country. People also travel through ship, but it is a slow means of transport and also cheaper than the air transport. Different kinds of water transport are boats, ships, steamers, and liners. A boat is smaller than a ship and used to travel for short distances. Ships are used to travel for long distances. They are big in size. It carries large number of people, and a boat or a ship is driven by steamer is a boat or a ship that is driven by steam. A large passenger ship is called liner, and the place where ships and goods are loaded or ships and boats are parked is called a port. Air transport is the fastest way of traveling. It can take us from one corner of the world to another within a few hours. Different means of air transport are helicopters, aeroplanes, jets, and gliders. Large aeroplanes can carry hundreds of passengers and goods over long distances in a shorter time. We use helicopters to travel to those places where aeroplanes cannot land. A jet engine drives a jet aircraft forward. It pushes out a stream of gases behind it. A glider is a light aircraft that flies without an engine. Cable cars are very useful in mountain regions. All the four types of transport are used in different parts of India. Air transport is safe in areas where there are high mountains or thick jungles. Camels are the best means of transport in deserts. Now people can also travel in space through rockets and satellites. So air transport is one of the fastest means of transport, and it can help us reach from one country to another country within hours. There are different means of air transport: helicopters, jets, gliders, and aeroplanes. Aeroplanes carry passengers and goods from one country to another country. A jet engine drives an aircraft forward, where behind it leaves a gush of gases. A glider is a light aircraft which flies without an engine, and cable cars are used to travel in short hilly areas where we can reach from the bottom of a hill to the top of the hill. All four means of transport are used at different time, at different places and different situations. Aircrafts and helicopters are a special help when traveling by road becomes difficult in the areas of thick forests and high mountains. Camels are used as land transport in the deserts. Now people can also travel into space through rockets and satellites. I hope you read the first part. Now read the second part of the chapter, and here we conclude this chapter. And after this, I am attaching the back exercises and question answers along with it. Uh, do it in your notebooks and revise all this written work thoroughly. Until then, take care and stay safe.